friend of the brand Sara Ali Khan inaugurates brand's third boutique in Bengaluru. Bengaluru, 9th August 2026, Swiss watch brand Longines opened its third boutique in Bengaluru today. At Phoenix Market City. The boutique was inaugurated by Longines' friend of the brand Sara Ali Khan. The actress later also visited the boutique at Phoenix Mall of Asia to indulge in an outing with Longines in a relaxed vacation mode setting. This season, Longines presents a curated selection of its latest successful releases. From the refined elegance of Prima Luna to the versatility of Conquest, the seaside confidence of Hydro Conquest, and the exploratory spirit of the Longines Legend Diver, each timepiece is created to accompany you across bustling cities and calming beaches in all its forms. Speaking at the event, Sara said, "Given the fact that this is Longines' third store in Bengaluru speaks volumes about the loyalty of its customers in this city. I hope this success story is replicated everywhere in India." She further added that Longines quietly marks every moment with effortless joy and elegance. That's what makes it unique. Mirroring the brand's universe, the boutiques showcase the latest product range from the refined shapes of Prima Luna and Dolce Vita to the sporty new Hydro Conquest and the watchmaking tradition of the Longines Master Collection and heritage timepieces. For more information, address: Longines Boutiques, ground floor, Phoenix Market City, Bengaluru, first floor, Mall of Asia, Bengaluru, first floor, UB City, Bengaluru. About Longines. Established in Saint-Imier, Switzerland in 1832, Longines' expertise is steeped in tradition, elegance and performance. With its lengthy experience as an official timekeeper of World Sports Championships and partner
and you're familiar with Longines, I'd like to ask you, which is your favorite collection?
Well, I think all the pieces are stunning, but I think there's a special connection between me and the moon. So I think Prima Luna is the answer.
Lovely. So Sara,
Unwinding. You can always wear your Longines watch, but try to lose track of time while you do that if you can, Little bit of just letting go and nature. I went to Switzerland, as you know. You sent me to the Longines factory.
Thank you. My last question, Sara. What is your most favorite moment with Longines?
Well, honestly, I think I'm just thrilled to be a friend of the brand, Coming to cities that I've been to before, whether it's Delhi, whether it's Hyderabad, whether it's now Bangalore, but coming with this brand. I think it's not so much about visiting new places. Watch that pulse.
So thank you, Sara. You've been as lovely as always. I'll now let the media take your pictures. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sharjeel, Director of Zimson. I'm here to welcome you all to the opening of our Longines boutique at Mall of Asia, Bangalore, and Phoenix Market City, Bangalore. We have the opening of two of our boutiques. And this is our third boutique in Bangalore and seventh boutique in Zimson Group. Today we also had the pleasure of having Sara Ali Khan, the popular Bollywood actor, in Bangalore for the boutique opening, and along with the Longines team. I invite you all to have a look at the boutique and visit the boutique, and thank you all and have a great evening. Thank you.